To replace the shower head, you'll need to turn it counterclockwise to loosen. Be careful not to break the pipe arm behind the wall. First, try to loosen the shower head by hand. If the shower head is on tight, use vise grips to secure the top of the pipe so it doesn't break. Use pliers in your other hand to firmly grip and rotate the shower head until it comes loose. To prevent deep scarring or scratches on the pipe, place a towel around it before securing the vise grips. When you remove the head, look for debris. In this case, we have the old rubber gasket and the flow restrictor was lodged just inside the pipe. Use some needle nose pliers to carefully jiggle it out. Now you'll need to take some time to clean the threads and remove the old Teflon tape. Next, wrap the threads with new Teflon tape clockwise, in the same direction you'll tighten. For the standard thin Teflon tape like this, you'll need to wrap it 5 to 6 times. Quick tip: if you prefer stronger water flow, you can remove the flow restrictor in the new shower head. Just remember to put that rubber washer screen back in place. Finally, tighten the new shower head first by hand and then follow up with a tool so it's snug and tight. Notice this type of shower head requires an adjustable wrench. Turn on the shower and give it a test run. And that's how it's done.